Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you how to apply for an Apple credit card. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to apply for an Apple credit card here, well, there are a few things that you may want to know. Now, the thing with the application process for the Apple card here, well, the whole application actually is available inside your phone already. So you just need to open up the wallet app here and just access your account. Now, once you are inside the wallet app, you want to go and click on the plus button at the top right of your screen. So that's the option for you to add cards into your account. Now, once you've done that, you should see the add wallet section. And what you're looking for here specifically is going to be the add, or in this case, apply for Apple card. Now, once you do hit that option, this will redirect you to a number of pages. So they will require you to provide your details like your first name, basic information, and also your social security number. So they will need that from you. And also you need to follow a few requirements here, like you need to be a US citizen and at least 18 years old when you do proceed with the application. And also they may need to ask you to provide some form of ID, so you may need to take a picture of that and submit that. But typically, once you do provide the necessary information, your contact details, they will start the application process and they will reach out to you if you are approved. Now, typically, once you are approved or once they actually process your account, that card should appear inside your account in here. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.